Hello student, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the pharmacochemistry 1. In this lecture we have studied sulfur and compounds, dental products, inhalants, respiratory stimulants, expectorant and emetics, antidotes, protective and adsorbents, saline catharatics. So, firstly we have discussed about the sulfur and its compound. In that we see the sublime sulfur having the synonym of flowers of sulfur. It prepared by heating any kind of sulfur then condense the vapor. The sulfur is available as a fine crystalline powder. It has faint characteristic odor but tasteless, insoluble in the water. The use of it, that is a antiseptic and scabicide. The precipitated sulfur industrially can be prepared by acidifying sodium thiosulfate solution with the hydrochloric acid. The unstable thiosulfuric acid liberated gets rapidly decomposed to give that. It will be used as a good scabicide, antiseptic in the treatment of acne and the parasite. The industrial method is prepared by heating together the sublime sulfur along with the milk of lime for an hour. The selenium sulfide prepared by passing the hydrogen sulfide gas into selenious acid. The precipitated is filtered and dry. The property is having a orange powder with faint sulfide odor, soluble in the water alcohol organic solvent. It will be dissolved in the nitric acid to form selenious acid. It is used as an anti-dandruff agent. In the dental products, the first we have a dental caries. In other words, we call as a tooth decay. That is a disease caused by acid produced the action of microorganism on food material. The disease shows characteristic by decalcification of the tooth accompanied by foul mouth odor. To prevent all those we use the dentifrices. The main function of dentifrice to clean the surface of teeth. In that we use the fluoride. Fluoride is necessary to prevent dental caries. The teeth surface not allow the action of acid enzyme producing lesion. The anti-carriage agents are used as dentifrice and fluoride salt. The sodium fluoride prepared by neutralization of hydrofluoric acid with sodium hydroxide and the sodium carbonate. The another method of preparation of sodium fluoride is a double decomposition calcium fluoride with the sodium carbonate. This is a white color powder with a colorless and odorless, soluble in water. Upon acidification, hydrofluoric acid is prepared. The assay is carried by complexometric titration, weigh the quantity and dissolve in water. Sodium chloride and alcohol is added. The solution treated with excess of lead nitrate. The filtrate washings are titrated with disodium acetate with the xylitol orange. It will be used for the prevention of dental caries. The stannous fluoride is prepared by dissolving the stannous hydroxide in hydrofluoric acid. It is also a white crystalline powder having salty taste, soluble in water, insoluble in alcohol and organic solvent. It must be freshly made. It will be used for the prevention of dental caries. The assay is carried by iodometry method. Weigh amount dissolve in a hot, recently boiled dilute hydrochloric acid. Flask is cooled. Then we add the potassium iodide, which titrated with the potassium iodide using a starch as an indicator. This material is used for cleaning the teeth and adjacent gum. The calcium carbonate is a fine powder used as a dentifrice in tooth powder or toothpaste. The sodium metaphosphate, a sodium salt of polymetaphosphoric acid. It is a white powder soluble in water used in dentifrice as abrasive, used as an anti-rusting agent for surgical instrument. It also shows a stabilizing, emulsifying and a chelating agent in the food industry. The dicalcium phosphate prepared by mixing neutral calcium chloride with disodium hydrogen phosphate solution. It is very fine powder, odorless and tasteless. When the powder is exposed to air, the person losing the water. The assay is carried out by complexometric titration. The use of dicalcium phosphate is it externally used as a dentifrice, orally as an electrolyte replenisher. The strontium chloride prepared by treating hydrochloric acid with strontium oxide. It is a grayish white powder with odorless and tasteless, insoluble in water that is used for the dental hypersensitivity. That means it will reduce the sensitivity of teeth for heat and cold. The zinc chloride. It is prepared by the reaction of hydrochloric acid on zinc oxide or metallic zinc or carbon. It is a white crystalline odorless powder, deliquescent, soluble in water, alcohol, acetone, and glycerin. It is compatible with insoluble soluble carbonates. The assay carried out with the complexometry titration method used as a desensitizing agent in dental remedies, also used as an antiseptic lotion for food or smelling wound. The inhalants. These are the type of drug which are taken as a vapor or inhaled through the respiratory system. The example for inhalant, first we use the oxygen. It will be occur in air up to 21% prepared by two methods. Firstly, the fractional distillation of liquefied air yields oxygen at 183 degrees centigrade and electrolysis of slightly alkaline water. Pure water is bad conductor of electricity. The property colorless, odorless, tasteless gains. It is not inflammable. Assay is based on its complete absorption by alkaline pyrogalol solution using specific apparatus for determination of the medicinal gas. Oxygen will be stored in the metal cylinder under compression should be paint black. The shoulder of the cylinder should be paint white. It is used as an inhalant for support respiration during anesthesia or post-operative condition. The inhalant for poisoning due to other gas and diluent for volatile and gaseous anesthetics. The carbon dioxide is known as carbonic acid gas or carbonic anhydride, prepared by calcium carbonate by direct strong heating or by treatment with dilute mineral acid. It is a colorless, odorless gas, does not support the combustion. It is heavier than the air but soluble in water. The solution is slightly acidic due to formation of carbonic acid. It is solidified called dry ice, stored in the metal cylinder painted grey. The name of the gas or formula should be stenciled on the shoulder of the cylinder. The assay carried out by its absorption by 50% of the potassium hydroxide solution. The unabsorbed gas is measured. It is used as essentially for regulate acid-base balance in the body, respiratory stimulant, give relief with the hiccup, rapid excretion of inhalation anesthetic, liquid oral treated with carbon dioxide are used to mask the taste. The inert gas in container containing easily oxidized substance, the nitrous oxide. It is also known as a laughing gas, prepared by heating ammonium nitrate to 170 degrees centigrade, also prepared by heating mixture of sodium nitrate and ammonium sulfate. The property of nitrous gas, it is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, soluble in water, alcohol and ether and in oil. It not absorbed by alkaline pyragalol solution. It will make a difference with oxygen. The oxygen will be absorbed by alkaline paragalol solution, but as well as nitrous oxide will not absorb. It is heavier than air compressed to a liquid. Assay by determining uncondensable gas in a particular apparatus. The method is called gasometric, using liquid nitrogen for condensation. It is used as a general anesthetic along with the oxygen. The concentration is at 20 to 50% in dental practice. The respiratory stimulant, these are the type of drug used to increase the activity of various functions of central nervous system. Mainly they are used to stimulate the respiration. Example for that is a ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate or bicarbonate manufactured by subliming mixture of ammonium sulfate and calcium carbonate. These are white powder alkaline to litmus soluble in water. The assay is carried by titration method. In other words, back titration method is used by dissolve in excess of sulfuric acid, then back titrated with standard sodium hydroxide. Use methyl orange as indicator. Should be stored in an airtight container, used as an expectorant. The expectorant and emetics. These are the type of drug eliminate secretion of the respiratory tract by inducing cough. Example for that is a ammonium chloride. The ammonium chloride prepared by neutralizing hydrochloric acid with the ammonium hydroxide. Properties for that, it is a white crystalline odorless powder with saline taste. It is an hygroscopic, freely soluble in water. The assay is carried out by the weigh amount dissolved in water treated with pre-neutralized formaldehyde solution. The ammonium chloride decomposed to methylamine equivalent amount of hydrochloric acid. The titration indicator phenolphthalein is used. The pharmaceutical use for that drug is it is used as an expectorant, diuretic and the system acidifier. Potassium iodide is a prepared by action of potassium hydroxide on iodine. Potassium iodide converted to iodine. The property of potassium iodide is a colorless crystalline white powder, odor light with a slight bitter taste. On standing, become yellow, particularly exposed to light due to liberation of free iodine. It will be assayed by titration with potassium iodide dissolved in water, concentrated HCl added, and titrated with standard potassium iodide solution. The use of potassium iodide, it is used in case of thyroid deficiency. Expectorant or antiemetics are drugs used to produce vomiting. The antimony potassium tartrate, that is synonym is called tester emetic. The preparation of antimony potassium titrate by mixing antimony dioxide with potassium acid tartrate, boiled for few minutes, then liquid is filtered and dried. The property for that is a colorless, odorless crystal having a sweet taste. The antimony potassium tartrate soluble in water, insoluble in alcohol. On exposure to air, crystals effervescence. The hydrometric method is used for assay. It will be stored in an airtight container. These are used to treat the schistosomiasis and acting as an emetic. Antidotes. These are the drug or remedy which neutralize the poison or converting them to non-toxic. Example for the antidote we use sodium nitrate. That is a moth absorbing of nitrogen oxide gas by sodium carbonate solution. The solution concentrate to crystallize, then find out the product. Property for sodium nitrate, these are colorless, slightly yellow cluster, odorless, saline taste. It is a deliquescent, absorb moisture, slowly gas oxidized to sodium nitrate. Soluble in water, is a reducing agent. Assay is based on oxidation of nitrate to nitrate. It will be used excess oxalic acid is back titrated with the potassium permanganate solution. Storage condition should be preserved in tightly closed container used as an antidote for cyanide poisoning, food preservative, protective and adsorbent. These are generally insoluble, non-toxic, chemically inert. They cover the skin or mucous membrane from irritant. Protectives are chemically inert substance used to form a protective layer in gastrointestinal tract. The adsorbents are chemically inert substance used to remove the toxic substance from the gastrointestinal tract. Example for that we discuss about light kaolin. Light kaolin prepared from native clay available in depot earth. The procedure for the preparation suspension of clay prepared in water, larger particle removed by eluteration upon successive treatment with sodium phosphate and hydrochloric acid. The property for that it is a light white powder, soft to touch, insoluble in water, mineral acid and organic solvent. Light kaolin purer, smaller in particle size than heavy. The use as an adsorbent for toxic substance from gastrointestinal tract storage should be stored well closed container. The bismuth subcarbonate. The preparation involved two steps. Primarily by treating metallic bismuth with nitric acid. Secondly, bismuth nitrate solution to cold sodium carbonate solution with constant stirring. A white precipitate is washed with water and dry. The property for that is a white, pale, yellowish, odorless, tasteless powder. The gravimetric method is used for assay. Sample ignite to constant weight required to yield 90% of bismuth oxide. The use is used in diarrhea and dysentery. Storage should be stored in well closed airtight container. The saline catharatics. These are the drugs when given orally related in the GIT increase the intestinal bulk by drying water from circulation by osmosis. They act as a mechanical stimulus, produce increased peristaltic movement, cause diarrhea. They are also called a saline purgative or osmotic laxative. Example for the saline catharatics sodium potassium tartrate and magnesium sulfate. Thanks. a lot.